promise that you'll never be lonely.
Hi and welcome back to Tiffany Shadley, a haul kind of girl. I'm so excited. I got my Boxycharm for January 2020. Okay guys, if you do not know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription where you pay $25 for 5 to 6 full-size beauty products. So we're going to get into the first item, and that is the Too Faced Diamond Light Fire Highlighter. So it opens similar to like a ring or diamond necklace bracelet case. So it opens once and then it opens again. So this color is absolutely so beautiful. Just look at how that shimmers. So it's kind of like a pink highlighter. Very, very pretty. And look at how cute this case is that it comes in. That is so cute. So adorable. And inside the box, it just says, "It's your time to shine." Cool. This is a one-of-a-kind highlighter infused with real crushed diamond powder. Wow. That's crazy. And light reflecting pearls to create a luminous yellow diamond glow that will make you sing. It says, light up your complexion with pure gold radiance in a silky powder formula by swirling the honey yellow, peachy gold shades together to create a custom highlight all on its own. Each highlighter is created with our unique marble pouring technique, ensuring no two highlighters will ever look the same, just like a real diamond. Wow. So that is so cool, you guys. I'm so excited about this. Like, I think this is so cute. So the price on the Too Faced Diamond Highlight is, let's see, $36. Let's see. Yep, $36. The next item, I'm so excited. I have gotten palettes from Ace Beauty before, and this is Scarlet Dusk. And it just has 12 colors. So let's open them up and see what we got. Now there's a mirror on there, so I'm going to try to hide that. So the manufactured price for this is $34.99, and again guys, the box is $25. So these colors are just absolutely beautiful. We have a Sunset Rose, Crimson Shade, Nocturnal, Aruba, Hibiscus, Lotus, Bahamas, Maui, Pink Moon, Aurora, and Sangria. Okay, so out of all these colors, let me take off the little film. That's probably why we're not seeing these. There we go. Now we can see the colors. So I really like the Aurora. It's very beautiful. It's very dark red, shimmery. Then we have like the nude Pink Moon. I really like that. And the Bahamas. That's so pretty. I'm actually really excited about this palette. It is very beautiful. Alright, let's get into the next item. This is Wander Beauty. I love this company, so I'm pretty excited. Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo. Cool. So there's 8 grams, which is 0.28 ounces in here. So I went ahead and opened it up. And this is what it looks like on the front and back. And there is a mirror, so I am covering that. Wow, this is really pretty. We have a daiquiri and Tulum. So this is a bronzer and a blush duo. I'm going to take the little film off. But these colors are actually really, really pretty. Very, very pretty. So I'm pretty excited about this one as well. So let's go ahead and see. Now this is going for $36. So this right here, the Wander Trip for Two bronzer and blush, is $36. Then we have the Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette, 34, and then we're at 36 with the Too Faced. Just between these 3 items, I mean, for 25 bucks, this is why I absolutely love Boxycharm, because how could you go wrong? You pay $25 for the whole entire box, and I'm only in the 3rd item, and we're at $101 between these 3 items. That is so crazy, between the palette, the Too Faced Diamond, and the Trip for 2 Wonder Beauty. That is so crazy. So I thought this was really cool. This is a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. So let's turn this around. It came in like this bag. So we have 1 fluid ounce bottle of this. Let's see. So that is, yep, $22. So let's read about this mask really quick. Okay. Glow Recipe. The Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask is a bouncy, breathable sleeping mask that soothes and perfects skin overnight. The pillow-proof formula acts as a radiance-boosting face mask formulated with soothing amino acids, rich with watermelon abstract, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and pore-refining AHAs that work while you sleep and gently exfoliate and clarify. That is so cool. There's actually a hashtag, a Glow Recipe Breaking the Ice. I am so excited about using this. So I'm going to try this out. This is so cool. So excited. Okay, so we're going to get into the last item of the Boxycharm, and it is this humongous mascara. I'm trying to have it focus. Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with castor oil. I mean, that's humongous. That is so big. Okay, so it just says it's $25. Wow. The most I've ever paid, I've paid $25 for mascara, but like usually I pay like $14.99. But okay, let's see. This is designed by the maker of Cult's favorite Grand Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum. It has the hottest secret weapon of lashes that command attention. Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with castor oil, the No Flake Intense Black formula works while you wear it in creating an unraveled thickness through the key ingredient, castor oil. So I don't know. I'm going to try that out, but I'm sure it works really good. I mean, for $25, I'm assuming it works really good. But what's really cool is, literally, you guys, I love getting the Boxycharm because look at how cool these items are. Like, you cannot go wrong. Okay, guys, this is going to be the end of my video. I just wanted to say Happy New Year to everybody. I know I did not make a video until now. I just wanted to say, you know, whatever your New Year's resolution is, I hope you're sticking to it. And just know that I love you guys, and I am not perfect. Like I've been saying my whole life, every single day I'm trying to become a better person, and I think that's all I could really do. You know, I'm not here to judge anybody. I'm not here for no negativity. I'm only here to put out videos because I love YouTube and I love all my subscribers, and I really do appreciate you guys. And if you're new here, please hit that like and subscribe button. I'm going to be putting out videos and all kinds of videos coming up. So please hit that like and subscribe, and just know that I love you guys. And until next time, I'll see you next month with another Boxycharm, because I love Boxycharm and I hope you guys do too. Have a beautiful day.